Welcome to the home of Bentley.
Located in the heart of Cheshire, England.
A legacy of excellence since 1946. It begins with the finest natural materials. Selecting the perfect grain is an art form.
Layers are glued to create symmetry.
Under immense pressure, beauty is fused. Precision technology guides the hand. Infused with color for timeless appeal. Every edge is smoothed by human touch. Coated in mirror-like lacquer. Only the flawless sections make the cut. Next, we enter the leather shop. Hides are scrutinized for the slightest blemish.
Technology cuts the shapes to perfection.
The iconic diamond stitching takes shape.
Critical components are sewn by hand.
Thousands of parts prepared for one car.
Now, the body enters the paint shop.
A dip ensures total corrosion protection.
Robots apply the foundational primer. Baked to a hardened, brilliant finish.
Wet sanding creates a glass-like surface.
Critical inspection under the brightest lights.
Polished to a deep, liquid reflection.
Body meets the chassis.
The dashboard is lowered into place.
Miles of wiring are intricately connected. Door panels are fitted with absolute precision. The thrones of comfort are installed. Deep pile wool carpets add luxury.
Now, the heart of the Bentley, the W12.
Every bolt is torqued to specification.
Turbos are added for immense power. Plumbing the lifeblood of the car.
The engine cover hides the complexity within.
Transported to the main assembly.
The marriage of power and body.
secured firmly to the chassis.
The exhaust system is fitted for sound.
High-performance brakes are installed.
The shoes are fitted to the beast.
Lugs tightened for safety and speed.
It begins to look like a Bentley. The face of the Bentley is revealed. The spirit of ecstasy takes her place. Rear badges and lights complete the look.
Fluids are filled to sustain life.
Every detail must be centered.
Subjected to a monsoon to test seals.
Dynamometer testing speed and power.
Laser alignment ensures perfect tracking. Headlights aimed for perfect visibility. The final quality inspection begins.
Shut lines must be millimeter perfect.
Paint is inspected one last time.
Every switch and button is tested.
Trunk space and mechanism verified.
A final layer of protection is applied.
It leads the line under its own power.
Rows of masterpieces awaiting delivery.
The scale of the Crewe operation. The symbol of British luxury.
Hydrophobic paint repels water.
Even the clock is a work of art. Diamond quilting defines the interior. Forged wheels for strength and style. Massive stopping power.
Agility despite its size. Matrix LEDs light the way forward.
A distinct light signature. The key completes the connection. Modern technology meets heritage. From dawn till dusk, creation continues. Polished to a mirror finish. Entry is always grand.
built for the Grand Tour. The driver at the center of control.
Engaging the gear for the journey. Responsive pedals for precise driving.
Keeping an eye on the past.
Opening up to the sky above. Climate control for ultimate comfort.
The sound of the W12 in a tunnel.
Tire grip connecting to the road. Air suspension smoothing the ride.
Powerful brakes bring it to a halt.
At home in the city.
Reflecting the world around it.
Inspired by musical instruments.
Concealed amenities.
The pinnacle of luxury motoring.
Built by human hands.
From blueprint to reality.
A name that resonates globally. Journeying to its new owner. Wood, leather, and metal united.
Holding the emblem in your hands.
The sound of solidity.
Personalized to the owner's taste.
Mood lighting sets the atmosphere.
An icon of design.
Every stitch tells a story. Nature's beauty preserved.
A nod to racing history.
Sculptural beauty in metal. Control at your fingertips.
Ready for the long road ahead. Clear vision in any weather.
A presence that is felt.
Pride in every finish.
Bentley Crewe, where legends are made.